What's up, guys? So, my Tomei finally came in. Pretty excited. We're going to be doing an unboxing and install. Currently, I do have the Z1 single exit, but I figured I'd go with the Tomei Catback. So here it is. I'll catch you when it's all open. So the Y pipe is pretty self-explanatory. It comes in 3 pieces. You got this piece, you got the right side, right side, and you got the left side. And you got 2 clamps. These slide in, and then it's just clamped down. So that's it. It's just clamped down, and it goes on. That's what it looks like. Extremely light. So yeah. All right, we got the car put up on jack stands. Now I'm just gonna crawl around underneath and pull the old exhaust out. It is a Z1 single exit with a it's a still in Y pipe. It is for sale, so hit me with offers, and I'll be back when the old exhaust is off. Just because it is for sale, I'll show you guys underneath of it. There's the still in racing Y pipe, and then it goes all the way back. There isn't any dents, no scratching. I am low, but there's none. Also, the extension pipe is for sale as well. Well, Y pipe's off, and the inner racer me wants to hear what it sounds like with just test pipes. So we're gonna go ahead and start it. Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh, I'm sorry, neighbors. Well, that's the whole video. No, I'm kidding. This shit's so loud with that exhaust. Oh my god. Well, I got the rest of the exhaust to pull out, so I'll catch y'all right now. What's up? Alright. We got it put together. Whoever designed these springs is a bitch. I'm telling you, bro. These things suck. We got the, I don't know if you guys can see that, but Y pipe's just dangling right there, so we're gonna get this in. I think that's it. I'll catch you when we're done. Alright, guys. We got the Tomei in. It's not complete yet, but it will be soon. So, next clip will probably be a startup. In 3, 2, 1.